Hi guys, I'm John Gregory-Smith, and today I'm going to show you how to make my gorgeously sticky pomegranate and maple glazed chicken skewers using this fantastic Canadian maple syrup. To start off, I'm going to make a cheeky little marinade to put all over that chicken, and I'm using some smoked paprika here, about 1.5 teaspoons. And this is like a barbecue in a box. I love it. And then I've got some garlic granules here, and they give a brilliant little kick to this dish. To bring that together, some olive oil, about 2 tablespoons. And the smell of this already, that smoked paprika is so good. Squeeze a lemon, and then finally, a really good pinch of salt. Just to bring it all together. How easy was that, right? And this really packs a punch with flavour, trust me, it's amazing. So that is the marinade done. I've got 500 grams of chicken thigh fillets. I've just diced up into like 1-inch cubes. They will cook down beautifully on my griddle. I'm gonna just mix this up. You just know it's gonna taste awesome later on. Now, the flavours of that smoked paprika and the lemon go so well with the smokiness of maple syrup. It works beautifully together. And to go with that, I've got these really beautiful padron peppers. Now, I love the flavour of these. I think they're great. A little bit of olive oil, some salt, and just toss that together. So now I'm gonna skewer these up and just carefully run that skewer in between my fingers with one of the padron peppers. How cool does that look already? I love that. So I'm just gonna carry on doing my chicken skewers. So on with 2 bits of the chicken and then with those padron peppers. Now what I love about this dish is it's super vibrant and it's great. You can do it at a barbecue or like this, you can do it indoors. It's perfect for the summer. Now this will make 8 skewers, which is enough to feed 4 very hungry people. To go with those smoky skewers, I'm gonna make the most amazing glaze, really quick and easy. 2 tablespoons of pomegranate molasses. Now, I love it, that sweet sour tang is off the dial. And then in with my maple syrup. Delicious, look at that. 2 tablespoons, pinch of salt, and then just mix this up. And what I love about cooking with maple syrup is it's great for sweet and savory. So you can put it on your pancakes, put it on your ice cream, but you know what? It's brilliant in a dish like this because the sweetness just balances out all those other flavors perfectly. Look at that, beautiful, easy. That is the dressing done. Now to go with my gorgeous chicken skewers, I want a beautiful crunchy salad, and I'm gonna show you how to make a very quick one. Half a red onion, finely slice that up. And then I'm gonna put in some cucumber, and you get that lovely green, that little cooling crunch. And I'm just gonna finely chop it. I've already taken out the seeds. Look at those colors already, aren't they wicked? So I'm just gonna pop these into my bowl, and it just gives the best little crunch to this dish. I love that. Into this, I'm gonna put in a few radishes, so you get that lovely sort of peppery note. And that beautiful, look at that lovely pink colour, and then lovely cherry tomatoes. And they just scream summer, really, don't they? So I'm just gonna dice them up, different chops, so some like in halves, some in quarters, just so it's got loads of textures. I mean, look at that already, all those different colours, flavours, textures. I've got a little bit of fresh mint, and then some parsley, as fine as you can. Smell of that, it's just so good. Straight in. And we're gonna do the quickest, simplest, best dressing, right? Lemon, give that a good old squeeze. Delicious pips as well. And then, little pinch of salt, and that just really helps pop all the flavors. And then finally, I want more of that maple syrup. I want a little sweetness, and I want it to echo the flavors of those kebabs. You've got all the elements in there for the best dressing. The tang from the lemon, that sweet smokiness from the maple, all the flavors of those veggies, beautiful. So I want to make this a little fancy because it's a beautiful dish, and I'm going to pop it into this rather gorgeous little bowl here. And then, I just love these pomegranate seeds. How gorgeous does that look? So my griddle pan is really hot and ready to go. Now these will take about 3 to 4 minutes aside till they're gorgeous, golden, juicy in the middle. Look at these are absolutely perfect. The peppers have wilted, that chicken's juicy, and I really like to just pile everything up. Looks beautiful, and then everyone can just tuck in at the table with that gorgeous salad. And don't forget that dressing. I'm just gonna drizzle that generously all over those kebabs. Look at the way it oozes down, it's absolutely beautiful. And I'm just finishing it off with a few mint leaves, just a little bit of freshness. I mean, doesn't that scream summer or what, guys? So that's it, my sticky pomegranate and maple glazed chicken skewers. Now for more recipes, check out Maple Canada UK on Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. I'm gonna dive in.